Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about Reynolds number and numericals on critical velocity. We have find out the expression for the critical velocity as k eta upon rho d. Okay. Now Reynolds number basically it gives us the nature of the flow of liquid. Okay. So Reynolds number, see, when this constant is having a particular value, we say that constant as a Reynolds number. It basically explains us that when the liquid will be having the streamlined nature, when the liquid will be having the turbulent nature. So it specifies the values for it. Okay. So Reynolds number, when with this particular formula only, we see rho, we can write R. We are writing this as R. And it is Vc rho d upon eta. So this is the expression for the Reynolds number. Okay. It just gives us the nature of the flow of liquid. Okay. So this is the Reynolds number, and when its value lies between 0 and 2000, it is the streamlined nature. When its value is greater than 3000, then it is expressing the turbulent flow of the liquid. And when the liquid is having the value between 2000 to 3000, that time it is showing the unstable nature of the flow of the liquid. Okay. Now we will solve the numericals related to this only. So what should be the maximum average velocity of water? So it means that what we have to find here, we have to find here the average velocity of water. So it means that critical velocity we have to find. In a tube of diameter 0.5 centimeter, diameter of the tube is given as 0.5 centimeter, so that the flow is laminar. Laminar, this is the, for the streamlined and laminar, both the type of flow, we are having the condition that it is between, it should lie between 0 to 2000. So the maximum value should be 2000. So we are considering that value only. So here the value of R we can consider as 2000. Okay. So D is equal to 0.5 centimeter. Clear? Now after that flow is laminar. Then eta of water, it is eta for water, it is 0.00125 Newton second per meter square, and the value of density, it is 1000 kg per meter cube. Okay. So all the values are given to us. Now we will substitute these values in this formula. Vc is equal to R eta upon rho d. Okay, we will substitute the values in this. Here value of R is 2000. Next eta, it is given in the this MKS unit only. So we will write it as it is 0.00125 Newton second per meter. No need to write the unit here. We will not write the unit. Now after that, upon 1000 into diameter, it is 0.5 centimeter. It is given in centimeter, remaining all other values are in meters. So we will write this also in meters only. So 0.5 into 10 raised to power minus 2. Okay. So as it is, we have written 10 raised to power minus 2. So here we have cancelled this. This 0.5 in the numerator we can write it as 4. So here it is 0.00125 into 4. This will also become 2, and this will also give us 4, and it is 10 raised to power 2. Okay, this minus 2, when it will go up, it will become 10 raised to power minus 2. So here it is 0.005 into 10 raised to power 2. So it will give us 0.5 meter per second. Okay. So the velocity of the liquid will be 0.5 meter per second. now we will start with the another numerical. Water is flowing in a pipe. So in a pipe, water is flowing. The radius of the pipe, it is 1.5 centimeter. Okay, with an average velocity it is given as 15 centimeter per second. What is the nature of flow? Here they are asking us the nature of flow, and nature of flow can be determined to us by the Reynolds number only. It means that particularly in this question we have to find out the value of the Reynolds number, and we will see that in which range it is lying. Okay, according to the range we will say that whether it is a streamlined or turbulent flow. And value of eta, it is given as 10 raised to power minus 3 kg per meter second, and value of rho, it is 10 raised to power 3 kg per meter cube. Okay, so now we are having the formula as Vc is equal to R eta upon rho d. Okay, now here value of R we have to find. So we will write the formula as R is equal to Vc rho d upon eta. Okay, so what is the Vc here? Vc here, velocity it is given as 15 centimeter per second. This is also in centimeter, that too a radius, and these two are given in kg meter per second. So we will convert these two also in the MKS unit. So here it is 1.5 centimeter. So when we will find out the diameter, it will become 3 and 3 into 10 raised to power minus 2 meter. Okay, now here velocity it will become, we have to convert it into meter per second, so 0.15 meter per second. So these changed value in the MKS unit only we will write. So it is 0.15, this is the velocity. Then after that density, it is 10 raised to power 3. Then diameter it is 3 into 10 raised to power minus 2, and upon eta is 10 raised to power minus 3. Okay, so when this will go up, see this is 0.15 into 3, this will give us 0.45, and this 10 raised to power 3 minus 2 plus 3, so 6 minus 2, it will give us 4. 4 means the resultant will be 4500. So value of R we are getting as 4500. So when we are getting the value as 4500, we know that when the value is greater than 4, greater than 2000, that time the movement of the water will be the just turbulent. Below it, okay, when above it is 3000, that time it is turbulent. So here between 2000 to 3000 it is unstable. So when the R is having its value as 4500, it means that it is the turbulent flow. So with this we can analyze that what will be the nature of flow of the liquid. Okay, so please practice these numericals properly.